Yeah. Oh, yeah. 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 Friend of the hopeless, Lord of the weak. I'm standing right here, it's you that I see. You got your hands raised, answering calls. But when it comes to me, I'm hitting the walls. Talk to me, Lord. Tell me, Dinabandhu, what did I do? I've been pouring my soul, crying out to you. You answered that prayer, you gave him the nod. Am I getting tricked by my unloving God? Yeah, you left me on red while I'm paying the fee. What was my crime? Why you hiding from me? Let's talk about the elephant caught in the grip. One little thought and you made the beast slip. You stepped to his enemy, answer his plea. You set him right free, so why not me? Then there's Ajamila, the king of the sins, drowning in karma where the darkness begins. He was terrified, dying, his breath growing cold. He screamed out Harry and you rescued his soul. He sailed across the ocean just by saying your name. But you got me out here playing no waiting game. You're testing my limits, making me bleed. What is my crime? What was the deed? Tell me, Dinabandhu, what did I do? I've been pouring my soul, crying out to you. You answered that prayer, you gave him the nod. Am I getting tricked by my one God? Yeah, you left me on red while I'm paying the fee. What was my crime? Why you hiding from me? You're out here doing miracles, giving the light. You gave the blind Brahmin his vision and sight. You played with his kid in the sand by the sea. But you got no time for a sinner like me. I'm your lowest servant, I'm grinding the street. No rescue for me, just the pain and the heat. I'm wandering around, I'm practically dead, with this heavy devotion just stuck in my head. Since I was a kid, I've been shouting your name. Thought you would notice, but it stays the same. I'm crying out loud till my vision turns red. Echoes of prayer spinning round in my bed, yeah. Yeah, poet Mukunda says, listen up close to the round-eyed Lord who does the most. Chaka Nayan, staring down from the height. I didn't know you